Hello friends, welcome you all once again. Happy to connect with you again through this very interesting video. The last couple of videos what we saw was on asset allocation and risk adjusted return. And this video is in continuation to what we saw in the previous videos. I am Sundar from Canary Capital Solutions. So the topic for today is asset allocation funds. So as I explained, why asset allocation is important, how it reduces your overall risk. How do you practice asset allocation? That is a big question in all investors' mind. And there are funds which are available in the market where you can invest in asset allocation funds which itself can take care of your asset allocation over a period of time. So we are going to see about that and what are the benefits of investing in those funds. So what do these asset allocation fund exactly do and where do they invest? They actually invest part of the money in equity, which are into the shares, which are high risk investments. Some part of the money gets into debt market and some part gets into arbitrage. To keep it simple, your debt and arbitrage are low risk investments and low return yielding investments. So in a fund, you have both high risk as well as low risk, so that it actually balances it out over a period of time whereby your risk in the overall portfolio is much lesser. Generally, as investors, we always feel that our investments should keep growing every year on year, which is like your linear returns. But what actually happens is the returns always keeps fluctuating and it is highly volatile in nature and cyclical. So what happens is, if you see the chart 2, which clearly explains that the returns are always volatile and cyclical, but over a long period of time the returns are much higher. So the next chart what I am going to show you will clearly explain how equity markets have performed over the last 39 years. The returns what is shown here are of calendar year. So if you look at the last 39 years, there are years where market has even doubled, meaning it has given more than 100% return in a single year, and there are years where market has actually fallen by about 50% or so. So that is the kind of volatility equity market gives you. Out of the last 39 years, there are only 9 years where the equity market actually gave you a negative return, and the remaining 30 years it actually gave you a positive return. So that is where equity investors don't stay very long, because they actually are afraid of this volatility. If somebody had stayed the entire course, your 1 lakh rupee invested would have become 3.5 crores, which is at a staggering rate of about 15.5% CAGR, which is like one of the best returns an asset can actually produce. So these returns have actually come during all the crises. Like there are so many governments which have changed, so many crises, so many natural disaster and other things. Irrespective of that, in spite of that, the markets have actually delivered a 15% kind of a CAGR, which is very good. But as investors, we actually don't enjoy that kind of a return, because we are always caught between this greed and fear. Whenever market goes up, we become greedy because everyone else is making money, so I actually go and invest maybe at the wrong time. And when market actually falls, we all get scared and we become very fearful and we actually start panicking, and many of us actually start even pulling out money. So both of these things actually happen at the wrong time, whereby your overall returns is much lesser than what the market actually delivers. So how do you avoid this? Because this is a basic human emotion which is very difficult to control. That is where an asset allocation fund comes, where the fund actually manages your emotion, whereby your money invested is not always into market when markets are expensive. So like for example, as I explained earlier, out of your 100 rupee invested, some part is in equity and some part is in the low risk investment like debt and arbitrage. So whenever markets fall, which means the valuation of the market is cheap, that means I'll be buying more in equity. And similarly, whenever market goes up, that means the valuation of the market is very high. That time I'll be selling equity and moving into debt or the safer instruments. So the chart what I have shown you is a very interesting chart which clearly explains. The red dotted line is your Sensex performance. So whenever the red line is on top, the blue line, which is the equity allocation in the fund, is much lesser. The recent example, March 2020, when the whole world was fearing and when markets were falling, the fund started allocating towards equity and slowly started inching up equity. By the middle of April, they were almost at about 70-80% in equity, and as market started recovering, slowly the fund started booking profits and coming back to lower level of equity. So at a current level where markets are again almost at about 40,000 plus, the equity exposure is already reduced to about 45-50%, which means most part of your capital is well protected. And this is a very continuous process, and this has to be managed, and an asset allocation fund actually does it very seamlessly. So the next chart, what I'm showing, clearly explains how these asset allocation funds have actually performed. So the data shown are for 3-year, 5-year and 7-year rolling returns. And if you look at on a 5-year basis, which is reasonably a good time frame to assess any fund performance, 96% of your time, your returns have been actually above 6%. And your average return during the period has been about 12% plus. So the point here I am trying to convey is, in spite of all the volatility in the market, the fund actually manages the risk in a very good way of moving into equity when markets are cheap and moving away from equity when market become expensive. Just by doing this very consistently and seamlessly through a process and model, the funds actually give you a very good risk adjusted return. Whereas a Nifty on the same 5-year period, though it has delivered reasonably the same kind of return, the volatility what you would have gone through is very, very high. And any of you as investors who would like to invest some part of your money and look at taking out regular cash flow from your investments, then asset allocation kind of fund can be one of your best options, because the chart what I have shown you here clearly indicates if somebody invested 1 crore rupees in 2010 March and kept on withdrawing 75,000 rupees a month, which is 9 lakh rupees a year, that means over the last 10 years you would have actually withdrawn about 94 lakh rupees on the investment of 1 crore. And after withdrawing so much of money and enjoying the monthly income like pension, his net current value as on today is about 1.4 crores, which means you not only enjoyed regular cash flow, but your capital also kept on growing. So in order to keep your investment keep growing more than inflation and getting a regular cash flow, I think asset allocation could be one of the best products to invest, whereby your risk can be reasonably low and your returns can be reasonably high. Another interesting phenomena is the tax implication on all the systematic withdrawal plan are very efficient. So out of the total money whatever you have withdrawn, your net tax implication is only about 3.5%, which means it is one of the most tax efficient way of taking your regular returns. So to summarize what we have seen, risk is inherent and we need to manage risk, and asset allocation funds can be one of your best solution provider, and your risk adjusted returns can be very good. Practicing asset allocation becomes very easy. You can also structure regular cash flows and it becomes very tax efficient. Hope you enjoyed this video and you got a fair idea of how asset allocation funds work. From Canary Capital team, I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. And the next topic what we are going to cover is what are all the products available for you to look at investing for your retirement. So that's the topic for next video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Canary Capital Solutions, and please do press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.